Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert a text file into Excel format. I have already created source and target directories, and next step is to create the actual transformation. So let's call it text to Excel. Let's open our source file. It's called leads. Format it. And we say that we will be taking the field names from first line. We also need to set connection source, and we need to set connection for the writer. Target type is Excel. We want to create new file, to create a header, and next step is to copy the field definitions, because the field definition is going to be exactly the same. We can type it manually, of course, but it is just too much to work. So what we can do instead, we can just copy it. Just click OK. Everything is done for us. So next step is to perform mapping. We'll use AutoMap for that. Now, OK, all done. And finally, we can run the transformation. Last step is taking a while because it is writing the actual Excel file. Okay, Excel file is created. Let's have a look if we actually have any data. Just reading the file now. Okay, here's our file. Also, for example, if you want to create any other file, like a QX file, for example, all we need to do is to change the format, and provided that the field names and the fields order is the same, there is nothing else for us to do. All we can do just to run, and it will automatically work. Same apply to loading data into the database, provided that fields order and field names are the same, it will just work. We call it universal data writer, and it does help a lot of time. For example, you might create like universal data warehouse, which loads data into Oracle, and then one of our customers tells you that they want to migrate it into the SQL server. All you need to do is to change connection, and that's it. Everything will work as expected. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions or problems you want us to help with, please go to our support forum, and we'll do our best to help you.